So, you just checked your credit score. It's a 602. And now you're staring at that number, thinking the dream of getting a new car, a personal loan, or even your own home is completely out of reach. You've probably heard a score in the low 600s is a death sentence for any loan application. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not the whole story. Let's be real. Having a 602 credit score is frustrating. You're not in the poor credit category, but you're not in the good credit club either. You're in that gray area called fair credit. But what if I told you there are specific doors you can walk through right now with a 602 score? You just need to know which ones to knock on. All right, let's get right to it. Can you get a personal loan with a 602 score? The short answer is yes. Many lenders specifically work with people in the fair credit range of 580 to 669. Now for the unfiltered part. It's not going to be the cheapest loan. Brace yourself for higher interest rates, likely an APR somewhere between 20% to 36%, and maybe an origination fee. But here's the key. Lenders look at more than just your score. A stable job and a decent debt-to-income ratio can make you look like a much better bet. Okay, what about a mortgage? This is where a 602 score makes things trickier, but owning a home is not off the table. Let's start with the best news, FHA loans. These are backed by the Federal Housing Administration and are designed for people with lower scores. With a 602, you can absolutely qualify for an FHA loan, often with a down payment as low as 3.5%. A conventional loan, however, is probably a no-go for now, since most lenders want to see a minimum score of 620. If a house is your goal, your energy should be laser-focused on FHA-approved lenders. Need a car? Good news. A 602 credit score is considered non-prime for an auto loan, and plenty of lenders will give you the green light. The catch, as you've guessed, is the interest rate. While a prime borrower might get 9% on a used car, you could be looking at rates closer to 14%. But you have a secret weapon, a down payment. The more cash you can put down up front, the less of a risk you are. A bigger down payment seriously boosts your chances of getting approved and is your best bargaining chip for a better rate. A 602 credit score isn't a dead end. It's a starting line. Here's your game plan. First, shop around. Compare offers from online lenders and credit unions. Second, if you have someone with great credit willing to co-sign, it could dramatically improve your loan terms. And third, for a house or car, start saving for the biggest down payment you can possibly manage. If this dose of unfiltered truth helped you out, do me a solid and hit that subscribe button for more real talk money content. That 602 on your screen is just a number. It doesn't define your future. It's a temporary spot, and now you have the know-how to work around it. You know which loans are actually in reach and which lenders are more likely to say yes. You've got the unfiltered truth. Now go get that loan.